I got another good video for you guys. In this video today, I'm excited to take you on a personalized journey into the fascinating world of technology careers in 2024. And it's not just about the numbers, it's about exploring the most lucrative and engaging paths that the tech industry has to offer. So whether you are an inspiring tech professional, a curious soul intrigued by the evolving landscape of tech jobs, or you are simply someone with a passion for staying ahead of the curve, then this video is for you, because we are about to unveil the top 10 tech careers that promise not only financial success, guys, but also avenues for personal and professional growth that will leave you guys inspired. But hold on a second.
Whoa.
Before we dive into this exploration of the future of tech careers, I have a small request for you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like this sort of content and just stumbled across this video and haven't subscribed to this channel yet. My name is Antoine Wade and I run the Black Heights channel. If you like this sort of content, make sure you also hit the like button, because we drop videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We do live streams on a Saturday or a Sunday. Now let's embark on the thrilling journey together and really paint this picture about the world of tech careers in 2024. Coming in at number 10 is the role of a product manager. Have you ever wondered who the unsung hero behind the seamless launch of your favorite app or product is? Well, it's your product managers. And product managers are essential in the ever-changing field of technology, since they are responsible for bringing new and exciting concepts to fruition. And they play crucial roles in shaping a product's future and promoting it into the market. Now, I'll quickly explain what a product manager is. A product manager is responsible for all aspects of the product's development and the release to the market. And by working together with a wide variety of people, they guarantee that the end result will satisfy both customers and the company. A product manager plays a pivotal role in orchestrating the collaborative efforts of designers, developers, marketers, and engineers, very similar to like a master chef does when they harmonize the diverse ingredients to create a culinary masterpiece. And here's an interesting fact about product managers. Product managers run products as CEOs. So product managers are responsible for the product success from inception to finish. And you must know your market, your clients, your competition, and the overall products. And you have to make tough calls and lead the team to success. And I came across this story by a young lady named Pratibha, who were taking some time off from her career because of some personal reasons that she had to deal with and throughout her entire family. And she basically joined the Institute of Product Leadership to learn how to become a product manager when she was ready to come back to work. And she says this: there are always two ways to enhance your knowledge, and we at the Institute of Product Leadership believe that it is often a great idea to take inventory of what you're good at and extend out from there, and even if it requires learning new skills. And basically what Pratibha ended up doing is she did an inventory on what she was good at. She was good in customer service, but she wanted to learn more about product management, and she went to a course and got certifications. Within 20 weeks, she became a product manager at Oracle. Now let's talk about how much product managers actually make. On average in the United States, product managers make about $165,000 a year. Now let's talk about the skills that are needed in order for you to become a product manager. Well, number one, you have to have strategic thinking. Number two, communication and leadership. Number three, market research and analysis. And number four, agile methodology. And a good understanding of UX and UI and data-driven decision-making are all the skills that you will need to be a good product manager. So when you are thinking about becoming a product manager, you should definitely select programs that's going to help you to enhance those skills. So how do you get started? Well, you get started by learning the fundamentals and the ropes behind product management and user research and product creation. There are many courses and boot camps that are out there, such as Google Coursera or other ones that exist out there that you can start by. Get in touch with other people in your field by joining relevant online communities and holding or attending in-person events. And then also look for internships or entry-level jobs, and then learns the ins and outs of being a product manager through actual work experience. Now, coming in at number 9 is the role of a cloud solutions architect. Are you ready to sculpt the digital future, architecting the virtual landscape where innovation thrives? If any of that piques your interest, then you want to consider a career as a cloud solutions architect. Today, corporations store, process, and manage data in the cloud. So how does everything fit so well? Well, the skills of a cloud solutions architect is the answer. Organizational cloud solutions are designed by cloud solutions architect. So they evaluate business needs, choose cloud services, and design the architectural blueprints for scalable, cost-effective cloud systems. Imagine a cloud solutions architect as a modern-day alchemist, transforming raw data and complex technologies into seamless, functional systems, just as an alchemist transforms base metals into precious gold. And I came across this story by a young lady named Amanda Wong, and she basically says this: I had a super fun time doing my first year as a cloud architect. At first, I didn't exactly know what I do every day, but I was excited to learn new things. I made some mistakes along the way, but that's okay because I learned from them. And I'm lucky to have some really smart people like teachers and friends who help me with my ideas. And being a cloud architect is like being a superhero with different superpowers. You need to be really good at getting things done, knowing about technology, and talking to people. That way you can do your job really, really well, Amanda says. And Amanda broke into becoming a cloud solutions architect by going through a Google Coursera course and practicing her skills. And not only that, really working with other people who are in the industry who help to give her opportunities to land her first job in this role. And the average salary for a cloud solutions architect here in the United States is about $176,000 a year. And the skills needed to become a good, proficient cloud solutions architect is this: understanding networking, security, architecture design, and cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, GCP, which stands for Google Cloud Services. And you have to be able to communicate well and translate business needs into technical solutions. That is a very important aspect of the role as well. So how should you get started? Well, you should get started by learning a certified cloud platform of your choice, whether it's AWS, Azure, or GCP. Then learn networking and security and infrastructure design, and then do internships or personal projects to help you with your practical skills. Coming in at number 8 is a cloud security engineer. Are you fascinated by the digital world and passionate about safeguarding it from potential threats? If so, then you have an interest in cloud security engineering. Organizations using cloud services must safeguard their digital assets from cyber attacks more than ever before. And cloud security engineers protect data in the cloud. And here's a quick explanation of a cloud security engineer. Cloud security engineers protects cloud environments and the data inside them. And security procedures and access controls and threat monitoring ensure cloud resource confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Picture a cloud security engineer as a digital guardian, much like a brave knight who defends a castle. Their job is to protect valuable secrets from cyber villains, just as a knight protects the treasures in a castle from dragons and invaders. And here's an interesting fact: data breaches can be incredibly costly for an organization. So security is a big investment. And I came across a story that I want to share with you guys about a gentleman who became a cloud security engineer. In the world of technology, there was a young man named Takahiro, and his career began as a cloud support engineer, where his main task was to ensure that clients' digital services ran smoothly with minimal downtime. And he excelled in this role, becoming the go-to person for troubleshooting and technical problem solving. But as Takahiro delved deeper into the world of IT, he found himself drawn to the darker side of technology. the reality of cyber threats and security vulnerabilities. And his curiosity knew no bounds, and he couldn't resist the allure of cybersecurity. And then one day, an opportunity arose that he couldn't turn down. He was offered a position as a security analyst, a role that would allow him to protect the digital fortresses from the relentless cyber attacks. And then Takahiro accepted the challenge eagerly and became a cloud security engineer. And let's talk about the salaries of a cloud security engineer. A cloud security engineer on average makes about $121,000 a year. And the skills needed to become a cloud security engineer, well, cloud security engineers must know cloud platforms and network security and encryption and threat detection and incident response. So strong problem solving, attention to detail, and cyber threat awareness are essential. And to get started, start by mastering cloud security and earning certifications like the CCSP and the CISSP. Then do internships, work on security projects, and work for a cloud service provider, which will provide you some practical experience. Coming in at number 7 is the role of a cloud engineer. Are you ready to soar into the future of technology and shape the cloud-powered world? If so, then you have an interest into cloud engineering. Modern organizations rely on cloud computing in the digital age, and cloud engineers design and maintain our linked worlds platforms. So think of it this way. Cloud engineers oversee cloud services and its infrastructure. They work in AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, or Oracle Cloud, and their jobs are to build, deploy, and support cloud-based solutions. Think of a cloud engineer as a digital architect. So they design and build intricate structures that make the cloud work seamlessly, much like architects plan and construct buildings that form the backbone of a bustling city. And I came across a story about a young man named Alex who's from a small town. And from a young age, Alex had always been fascinated by computers and the endless possibilities that they held. And he spent many hours tinkering with hardware and writing code and exploring the vast digital landscape. And as he grew older, his passion for technology only deepened, and he decided to pursue a degree in computer science at a nearby university. And throughout his college years, he immersed himself in his studies, tackling complex programming projects and making sure that he absorbed the coding and also invested into the ever-evolving field of technology. And during his junior year, Alex stumbled upon a course that would change his course of his life. Basically, it was Cloud Computing 101. And the class introduced him to the world of cloud technology, and he was immediately captivated by the idea of the cloud as a scalable and flexible platform for businesses and individuals alike. And Alex excelled in the course, earning top grades and impressing his professor with his aptitude for understanding the intricacies of the cloud systems. And then he realized that he had found his calling and he wanted to become a cloud engineer. And to gain practical experience, Alex decided to apply for an internship at a local tech company known for its expertise in cloud solutions. Then after a rigorous selection process, he landed the internship and was thrilled to start learning the ropes of cloud engineering in a real world setting. And during his internship, Alex worked closely with experienced cloud engineers who mentored him and provided valuable insights into the field. He also assisted in configuring cloud servers, optimizing performance, and troubleshooting issues. And his dedication and quick learning earned him the respect of his colleagues. Upon completing his internship, Alex was offered a full-time position as a junior cloud engineer at the same company. And he accepted the offer with enthusiasm, knowing that this was the first step towards his dream career. And then over the years, he continued to grow in his role, acquiring certifications in cloud technologies and keeping up with the latest industry trends. And now Alex is making over $200,000 a year. But guess what, guys? The salary for cloud engineers on average here in the United States is about $114,000 a year. And the skills that you need to become an effective cloud engineer are understanding of networking, security, and automation, as well as cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP. Then you also need to be an effective problem solver and have good communication skills, and technology adaptation skills are very, very important. And to get started, there are many ways. You can go to a local university like Alex did and major in computer science or management information systems or computer information systems or an IT related program, and then really start to explore the technology side of the cloud. and you can get certifications through certification channels like Google Coursera, or work directly with some of the cloud solution providers such as AWS, Azure, and GCP, as they have programs that help you to become a cloud engineer built on their platforms. Coming in at number 6 is an AI machine learning engineer. Imagine being at the forefront of a digital revolution where machines not only learn, but also make decisions. Are you ready to explore the world of AI and machine learning engineering? In today's tech-driven era, AI and machine learning engineers are the architects of innovation, and they bridge the gap between human intelligence and its limitless potential of machines. And let's dive deep into this fascinating world where algorithms think, data predicts, and artificial intelligence shapes our future. Let me quickly explain. AI machine learning engineers are the brilliant minds responsible for creating algorithms and systems that enable computers to learn from data and make intelligent decisions. And they are the driving force behind everything from recommendation engines or streaming platforms to self-driving cars. And you could think of an AI machine learning engineer as a digital sculptor shaping raw data into intelligent masterpieces. They mold algorithms and code like clay, transforming them into tools that can recognize faces, predict stock prices, or even compose music. And I came across a story about a young lady named Sarah, who is an AI machine learning engineer with a passion for solving real-world problems. And one day she took on a challenge to create a machine learning model that could predict earthquakes. And by analyzing lots of data, Sarah's algorithm successfully predicted several earthquakes, enabling authorities to issue timely warnings and potentially save lives. And this moment not only showcased the power of AI, but also demonstrated how engineers like Sarah are changing the world one algorithm at a time. Now let's talk about the salaries of an AI and machine learning engineer. The average salary in the United States is about $172,000 a year. And the skills needed to become a good AI machine learning engineer is good math skills such as arithmetic, statistics, and programming skills, usually in Python or in R. And you should be proficient in machine learning tools and frameworks and have good problem-solving skills and data analysis skills. And to get started, start with an online textbook on machine learning basics, and then start with simple projects and work up to more sophisticated ones. Then try to get formal training, join machine learning networks, and attend conferences. Now, coming in at number 5 is the role of a data scientist. Now, picture a world where data isn't just numbers and facts. It's the key to unlocking hidden insights, making informed decisions, and transforming industries. Welcome to the world of data science, where the story of data really unfolds. In the digital world, data is the new gold, and data scientists are the modern day alchemists who turn raw information into valuable knowledge. And data scientists are the detectives of the data universe. They are equipped with statistical and programming tools to extract meaningful insights from complex data sets. And they uncover patterns, make predictions, and drive data-driven decisions. Just imagine a data scientist as a skilled chef in a big kitchen. They carefully select the freshest ingredients, they use sophisticated recipes, and they craft exquisite dishes that satisfy the appetite for knowledge. And here's an interesting fact: data science isn't new. It has roots dating back to the 1960s. However, with recent advancements in technology like big data and powerful computing, this has caused data science to be propelled into the spotlight. And I came across a story about a gentleman named David, who is a data scientist with a passion for healthcare. And in a groundbreaking project, he analyzed medical records from thousands of patients to identify early signs of a rare disease. And his model accurately detected the condition before symptoms even appeared, allowing doctors to intervene early and save lives. And this inspiring example showcased the incredible impact that data scientists can have on our well-being in the world around us. And a career as a data scientist can pay you well. The average salary for a data scientist is about $143,000 a year. Now, what are some of the skills that you need to become a good data scientist? Well, data scientists need Python or R skills, statistical and mathematical knowledge, data visualization skills and domain knowledge in the field that they're analyzing. And then good communication skills, problem solving skills, and critical thinking skills are crucial. And to get started, start with data analysis and statistical basics. Then take data science or related courses online to get a degree, or build a portfolio by working on real data projects or entering competitions. Data science communities let you learn and collaborate. Coming in at number 4 is a cybersecurity engineer. And if you are interested in learning more about digital security and how to keep sensitive data safe online, then you may have an interest into cybersecurity engineering. When cyber threats rise, cybersecurity engineers protect digital castles. So they defend organizations from cyber attacks and safeguard private data in the public. Now let me explain it further. Cybersecurity engineers protect company computers, networks, and their data. So they secure data integrity and privacy using security designs, vulnerability monitoring, and incident response. And cybersecurity engineers are like castle moat builders, so they dive deep, install firewalls and intrusion detection systems, and they monitor the network to keep outsiders out. And I came across an article about a lady named Lisa, who is a dedicated cybersecurity engineer who works for a major financial institution. And one fateful day, her team detected a suspicious pattern of activity indicating a potential cyber attack. And in a race against time, they thwarted the attack, safeguarding the sensitive financial data of thousands of clients. And Lisa's expertise, quick thinking saved the day, illustrating the critical role that cybersecurity engineers play in our increasingly digital lives. And cybersecurity engineers are paid well, with an average salary of about $106,000 a year. And the skills that you will need to become a good cybersecurity engineer, you will really need to have a grasp of cybersecurity principles and network protocols and security tools and methodologies, and hacker-like thinking to spot vulnerabilities. And then problem solving and communication skills are very essential. And to get started, you can go to a local university in your area, or either you can start with a boot camp online. We are partnered today with Level Careers, who offers a course in cybersecurity, or to become a cybersecurity engineer or a SOC analyst. So check out the link into the description of this video if you have an interest into becoming a cybersecurity engineer. Now, coming in at number 3 is the role of a blockchain engineer. Now just imagine a world where trust and transparency in the digital world are not just buzzwords, but the foundation of innovation. And in the age where data security and trust is paramount, blockchain engineers are the architects of the decentralized revolution, forging a path towards a more secure, equitable digital world. Now let me quickly explain what blockchain engineers are. Blockchain engineers are the master builders of digital ledgers that record transactions securely across multiple computers. So they design, develop, and maintain blockchain networks, ensuring data immutability, transparency, and trust in an increasingly interconnected world. And you could think of a blockchain engineer as a digital blacksmith, crafting unforgeable chains that link information into blocks. And these chains are the armor of trust, defending against an onslaught of digital deception, much like the medieval armor protected the knights. And here's a story about a gentleman named Alex, who's a blockchain engineer on a mission to empower small-scale farmers. And in a transformative project, Alex developed a blockchain-based platform that allows farmers to record and verify the authenticity of their produce. And this ensured fair compensation and eliminated fraud in the supply chain. And through blockchain, Alex transformed the lives of countless farmers, showcasing how this technology can drive positive change and promote trust in every transaction. And the salary for a blockchain engineer is about $139,000 a year. And here are the skills needed to become a good blockchain engineer. You must be able to comprehend blockchain technology and its ideas, have a good understanding of the programming languages behind some of the blockchains that exist out there, and also have a good understanding about smart contract development. And to get started, start with blockchain basics and platforms like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Then code smart contracts and decentralized apps. And then you want to take online courses, get certifications, and obtain or go to blockchain forums so that you can learn and network with some of the specialists. And coming in at number 2 is a computer network engineer. If you are intrigued by the digital highways that connect our world, ensuring information flows seamlessly, in the modern age of interconnected devices and data exchange, computer network engineers are the architects of the digital infrastructure that keeps us all connected. Computer network engineers are the backbone of modern communication. They design, implement, and maintain networks, ensuring data can travel reliably and securely between computers, servers, and devices. And you can imagine computer network engineers as a highway planner. They design the road systems, which would be the networks. They connect cities, which are computers and devices, ensuring smooth traffic flow, data transfer, and adding security checkpoints, which are firewalls to protect against threats. And I came across a story by a young lady by the name of Sarah, a dedicated computer network engineer who worked for a major multinational corporation. And during a critical project, the company faced a network outage that threatened to disrupt operations worldwide. And Sarah and her team worked tirelessly around the clock to identify and resolve the issue. And they ensured that there was minimal downtime, and their swift action not only saved the company millions, but also highlighted the crucial role that computer network engineers play in keeping our digital world running smoothly 24/7. And let's talk about the salaries of a computer network engineer. The average salary for a computer network engineer here in the United States is about $96,000 a year. Coming in at number 1 is a front-end web developer. Have you ever marveled at the dazzling websites and user interfaces that captivate your attention? Well, in the digital age, front-end web developers are the magicians behind the curtain, crafting visual wonders that make the internet a captivating place. Now, let me quickly explain what front-end web developers are. Front-end web developers are the artists who code the user interface of websites, making them visually appealing and user-friendly. And they take designs and turn them into interactive and engaging web pages that you can click, scroll, and then explore. And you could think of a front-end web developer as an architect of a digital storefront. And they design and build facets of online shops, ensuring that the experience is inviting, easy to navigate, and visually appealing. And I came across a story of a young lady named Emily, who is a passionate front-end web developer who works for a creative agency. And she was tasked with revamping a client's outdated website to reflect their brand's modern image. And Emily's creative flair and technical skills transformed the website into a sleek, interactive masterpiece. And the client was so thrilled with the result that they reported a significant increase in the online engagement and sales. And Emily's work exemplifies how front-end web developers play a pivotal role in shaping the digital face of businesses and organizations, leaving a lasting impact on their success. And front-end web developers are paid handsomely with an average salary of about $91,000 USD a year. And the skills needed to thrive as a front-end web developer, you will need proficiency in web technology such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And you should also have a keen eye for design, responsive web design principles, and the ability to work collaboratively with back-end developers and designers. And to get started, look for online tutorials or courses that teach HTML, CSS, and JavaScript basics. Practice with personal projects and a portfolio, and then join coding communities and attend hackathons and study web development or design. So there you have it, folks. These are the top 10 highest paying tech jobs for 2024. And I personally think that 2024 is going to be another year where technology continues to advance. There's going to be new things that come out, and these jobs, these roles will all play a critical part in the advancement of those technologies. And I've selected these 10 jobs based on research and the demand that they have in the market and how much money that you'll ultimately get paid. So if you're looking to make a transition into the technology space, look at any one of these tech jobs because they will prepare you to have a long-lasting career and make the money that you want to make in your career. And guys, my name is Antoine Wade and I run the Black Heights channel. If you like this sort of content, make sure you leave a like button or you like the video. Also, if you're new to this channel and you like this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we drop videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we do a live stream on a Saturday or a Sunday. And until next time, guys, peace.